everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I am with you with a very enjoyable and also very easy project. We are going to make these beautiful crochet rings, dear friends. These are so elegant and also so easy, especially for crochet beginners. In 1 hour you can make many. So this will be a very nice, very good idea for quick gift ideas. If you want to prepare a gift in a short time for your friends, you can make a set with these 5 pieces, 10 pieces in different colors. You can give it to your friends. Yes, it is really beautiful, really very nice. We just need some little scrap yarn for this project, and we need 3mm hook. We need a scissors to cut the yarn, and we need this kind of small beads. I use these plastic beads. If you have different types of beads, of course it's possible. According to me, they look nice. You can wear only one, or you can wear like this at all your fingers in different colors. That's completely depends on you. Look, dear friends. Okay, let's start. I'm taking my yarn in my hand. First of all, I will take a bead on this rope. I will use this kind of rope, like this. Okay, now I can start. Since there is only one bead on each ring, I inserted one bead on the rope. First of all, I am starting with a slip knot. Upon this slip knot, I am going on making chains according to the size of my own ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one moment, 7, 8, 9. After making some chains, for example, I made 9 chains. I am measuring it through my finger. It should be half of your finger. For example, like this. Yes, this is half. Look, like this. This is here and this is here. It should be half of your finger size. I made 9 chains. 9 chain is okay for the half of my ring. I mean for the half of the size of my finger. Now I am doing like this and crocheting the bead. Okay, now I am going on making 9 chains. How many chains I made here? I am doing the same chains for the others. Here, before fixing the bead, I made 9 chains, and after fixing the bead, I'm going to make 9 chains as well. I made already 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, after making 9 chains, before finishing, once again I am trying it on my finger. Let me show you on my other finger. Let me try. Look. This is the finishing of the chains. This is the starting of the chains. They should touch each other like this. Okay, it's okay for my finger. Okay. Now I am joining these two ends to each other like this. One moment. Okay. Yarn over and making a slip stitch, one chain to fix well, and I am cutting the rest. Okay. Now we are going to disappear these yarn ends. For hiding the yarn ends, I'm going to use a small size hook. You can use darning needle or you can use the same hook you already crochet. What I am doing, I am inserting my hook through the chains, taking one of the yarn end and pull through. One moment. Yes, pull through. Again, inserting my hook through the chains. One moment, like this. And pull through the yarn end. Also doing the same for the rest. And I am cutting the rest. Yes. Now I will do the same thing for the other part here, this yarn end. This project is very nice to encourage the crochet beginners, because some crochet beginners are thinking crocheting is very complex, very difficult. But if we make this kind of small, easy ideas, these are encouraging them. Once again I will do, and I will cut the rest. Okay, I am cutting. Yes, that's all. And now I am wearing this. One moment, I will cut. Okay, like this. And I am wearing like this. As you see, it is so easy and so enjoyable to make these rings. That's all, dear friends. It's so easy. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this very, very easy and absolute beginner friendly crochet pattern. I will go on sharing this kind of easy projects, dear friends. If you like my videos, I kindly invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel and activate the info bell in order to be informed about my future video tutorials. And please stamp like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.